What if I told you this secret place in Germany used to be a locomotive and train factory, and now it hosts one of the greatest automotive brands in the world. It's called Motorworld Munich. And this is where we are going today, and not only to check the hypercars, but also meet Omid Mouazzen, one of the greatest car content creators in the industry, especially in Germany. Today we are flying to Germany. I've just finished my workout here on the terrace. We are meeting with the car vertical team, and also I planned a nice interview and a crazy drive with Omid Mouazzen. Maybe you know Omid because he's really popular in Germany, but international also. He has millions of followers and his series are absolutely killing it. So, because he's in my area of business, car content creation and also car selling business. He has a huge supercar dealership in Germany and he's one of the best in this business. He also started to sell a lot of hypercars lately. He's basically at the point where I want to be in a few years from now. And this is a great chance to get a few hacks from him. But until then, let's fly to Germany and check the MYLE Festival. I don't want you to film me, it feels weird.
No, it's fine.
Okay, we're going?
Bye.
Bye. I'm more interested in asking you a few questions than
Okay, ask
the
me.
car.
Let's go.
So actually, I'm trying to do something almost what you're doing here in Germany, but in Romania. So I'm a content creator and I also sell cars. I've been selling cars since 18 years old.
Okay. How old are you now?
I'm 27.
Okay, nice.
And now I'm at the level of, let's say, M cars, AMGs and stuff like that.
Yeah, great.
Here, right?
Yes.
I wanted to ask you the first question. How did you manage to switch from doing like normal cars to supercars? Selling supercars?
Yeah, I followed the vision from the very beginning, like 15 years ago when I had my showroom full of 10,000 euro cars.
Okay,
10,000
euros.
10,000 euro average like cars. I told my people one day I will be selling supercars.
Okay.
And they were laughing at me and telling me, how? You won't be able to do that.
Okay.
And I always pushed, and of course, go right.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
And I always pushed and followed my path. And of course, you need more money to do that. In Germany, in order to get more money, yeah, in Germany, in order to scale, you need to have good balance sheets showing profit in your company.
So you still use the bank. That's what I'm starting to do.
Yeah, of course, paying high taxes in Germany, like 50% tax in Germany.
Wow.
So because many dealers are like, okay, I want to avoid taxes. Nobody likes to pay taxes.
But you need to pay the taxes to get a good credit score.
If you're not paying taxes,
Hello.
if you're not paying the taxes, you won't get any profit from the banks, and so you cannot scale.
And here in Germany, you can get big lines of credit, right? Like if you
Yes.
prove to the bank you're trustworthy,
Yes.
you can get a big line of
Yes,
credit.
yes, but also on your credibility, you need to work for years and show the bank that you're reliable. Like the first ever credit I received from a bank for financing cars was 30,000 euro.
Mine
That's
as well.
Nothing.
Exactly.
And
30,000 euros,
yeah.
the first one.
That's like nothing.
Yes.
But then it grew to 100k, 200k, and nowadays it's millions.
Millions, yeah.
Of course.
You need millions to sell
You need
supercars,
millions.
but you
We
can
have like 50 million stock.
Okay.
That's
50 million.
We
Wow.
have 50 million euro worth of cars in our stock. And of course, to build a stock like this, you also need banks. For me, it's not possible because I didn't have any sponsors or rich parents.
And how are the interest rates here in Germany?
High. They're high. Like for car dealers, you are around 6 to 7%.
Oh, that's not high. For example, in Romania, when you start out, you can't get anything under 10%.
Oh, that's expensive.
But after you get more money and you get a good credit score, as you said, you can get maybe to 5 or 6.
The very first credits I had in my life when I borrow money from friends, I paid like 120% interest rate per year.
What kind of friends are they?
Look, it was like, okay, give me 20,000. Yeah. It was like, okay, give me 20,000 euro and I will give you like 2,000 euro every month back. Because my calculation was with 20,000 euro, I can buy 2 cars with like for 10,000 euro.
Okay.
Make 5,000 profit.
Okay, oh, that's a good profit.
Yeah. in total, like 2 times 2,500 euro.
Yeah.
Then I give 2,000 back to my friend,
And you keep the 500.
and I have 3,000 euro for myself.
3,000 euros. Yeah.
3,000 out of the 5,000. So per year I was paying like 24,000 euro of interest
Only-
on a 20,000 interest, not paying back the loan, just interest.
When was that?
Oh, like 20 years ago.
20 years. How old are you?
39 today.
39. Okay, so you have a lot of experience, more than 20 years, or?
Yeah, and no, I was even like accompanying my father to car markets in Germany for like very, very cheap cars, 1,000 euro cars, 2,000 euro cars,
Okay.
when I was a little child.
Mm-hmm.
So I've seen the car industry from that point.
I see you are also friends with Ahmed in Dubai.
Yes, Ahmed is a very great friend
And
of mine.
he
I
also-
respect him a lot.
He buys a lot of cars from you, right?
Yeah, we make deals every now and then, and he just built an insane showroom, a new showroom.
I saw it.
in
I want
Dubai.
to go next time. I'm also a Dubai resident.
Yeah,
Yeah, and I'm going to visit his
they're,
showroom when
they're
I'm coming
just
back.
opening it. I tell you something, bro. I visited his showroom. It's uncomparable to everything I've seen so far in the world. What they built.
Okay.
It's not a showroom. It's a huge project with like renting cars, selling cars,
Yes.
but also customizing cars,
Yes.
wrapping cars.
You need to have all, so you can get money from all the
Doing
niches
interior
in the
works,
industry.
leather works, everything. It's so crazy, and I respect that so much.
And,
So it's crazy what they did.
For you, what is the main focus right now? Selling cars or doing content? What
Both.
is?
Both in its own way. Don't produce content to sell more cars.
Okay, so you want
Produce
to produce
content to satisfy your viewers.
Okay. And
That's
selling
very
cars
important.
is-
And sell cars to sell cars.
Oh, okay. And
Don't sell cars to make content. You know, of course you can combine it, but I never do content in order to sell more cars, and I'm never selling cars in order to content. Two separate businesses. If you see it as a business, if you see YouTube as a marketing funnel for your company, that's something else.
Yes.
But if you want to do YouTube in order to make YouTube money and ads money and everything,
Yes.
then you
should do
need to
only
see it
YouTube.
as a business for itself.
Yes. So two separate businesses. And
Exactly.
you only benefit from the awareness
Exactly.
you get from the channel. Because I see what you're doing on the channel is not really related to the car selling. Because you
No,
have
it's not.
your format is like a TV show.
Exactly, it is.
Okay.
And everything we do on our channel is true. Yeah. We don't
true.
fake stories. We don't like script stories or something. Even with the contestants in my shows, whether it's fraud cases or it's about buying or selling cars or car dealerships where I go to consult and help them,
Okay.
I'm not in contact with them and I'm not talking to them until the camera turns on. My crew, my team, of course,
Okay.
they organize everything,
Yeah.
but I want to avoid to have any contact or anything we speak about without a camera,
Okay.
because I want everything to be true. That's really important for the authenticity of the content.
And how big is your crew?
Media team is more than 20 people meanwhile.
Wow.
We have a YouTube studio in Germany. I think it's quite unique even in Europe. It's on 5,000 square meters just for YouTube.
5,000 square meters. I
5,000.
heard it used to be an Audi dealership.
The building used to be an Audi dealership,
Nice.
and we rented the building and transformed it into a YouTube studio meanwhile. First
nice.
it was a storage for our car dealership, a second storage, but now it's a YouTube studio on its own.
I want to visit.
Of course, it's a
I come
pleasure.
to Germany a lot because sometimes I'm coming back with the cars that I'm buying.
It's a pleasure.
And I really want to visit your showroom.
Zibir visited me already.
I know.
Yeah, he was at my
last
place.
year.
Yeah, exactly. Did you enjoy the ride?
Yes.
How
I
did you
enjoyed
like the
talk. I really like the car. I didn't push it.
But you're smart.
because that's not my interest. My interest was to get something from you. So
Yeah. No, you're really smart because you use this drive to get insights to improve yourself,
yes,
and
of course.
that's the right
and
thing.
also help the audience.
Always work when others enjoy.
Exactly. I
you
drive
did
cars.
that.
I drive cars all the time, so
Yeah.
that's I enjoy cars, but now the main thing for me is scaling my channel and my business. So
I'm sure you will do great. I wish you great success in future.
thank you so
my
much.
friend.
You're
See you
the
in
best.
Germany when you visit our studios, right?
Yes, I'm coming.
Okay,
I'm
we do
coming.
that.
So
It was a pleasure.
thank you, Omid.
See you
Thank
next
you
time.
so much.